In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a resource in Microsoft Project. When team availability changes or someone hands off a task, you don't need to rebuild your schedule. In the desktop version of Microsoft Project, the quickest approach is to use Assign Resources. Work in the Gantt chart view so you can see tasks and who's assigned. Select the task that currently has the resource you want to swap. Open the Assign Resources window by right-clicking the task and choosing Assign Resources. In that window, highlight the resource you're replacing, click Replace, pick the new resource from your list, and confirm with OK. The new resource is now on the task, and Project automatically moves the remaining work to them. There are a couple of important rules that keep your data accurate. If the task has already started, meaning %complete is above 0, Project preserves the history. The original resource remains credited with the work already done, and only the remaining work transfers to the new resource. If the task hasn't started yet and %complete is 0, the original resource can be fully replaced so the new resource owns all planned work. If you're unsure, look at the %complete column in the Gantt chart to confirm a task's status. After the replacement, Project recalculates the plan. Work is reassigned automatically, and task duration may stay the same or change depending on the task type and the assignment units. Assignment units are the portion of a full-time schedule a resource is allocated, such as 100% or 50%. On a fixed units task, if the new person has different capacity, duration may shift to keep units constant. On a fixed duration task, the dates tend to hold steady, and work is redistributed to fit the set duration. On a fixed work task, the total effort stays locked, so duration can lengthen or shorten depending on the new resource's units. For example, replacing someone assigned at 100% with someone at 50% often extends the remaining duration because the same work is spread over less capacity. You may also see dates move if the new resource has a different working calendar. That's normal and reflects actual availability. Expect work and remaining work fields to update and Gantt bars to adjust only when the recalculation requires it. This method keeps your dependencies, baselines, and task IDs intact while handing off the effort cleanly. That's all there is to it. Select the task, use Assign Resources, replace the old with the new, and let Project carry the remaining work forward.